Are you looking for new effects to spice up your videos and make them more interesting to your viewers? Have you tried the big head effects? The big head effect makes your noggin look massive and your body look small in comparison. My name is Adrian, and in this video, I will show you how to make the big head effect in Filmora 10. First, open Filmora 10 and create a new project. Import footage that you would like to use. Add the footage to the timeline. Add the same footage again above the previous one. Now what we want to do is enlarge the bottom footage and create a hole on the top footage so that we can see just the enlarged head from the bottom footage. To enlarge the bottom footage, double click on it on the timeline. Expand the transform section and adjust the scale bar until you get the desired enlargement. To create a hole on the upper layer, we use an effect called masking, which is available in Filmora 10. Go to the Effects tab. Select Utility on the left panel. Locate and drag the image mask effect to the top layer on the timeline. Double-click the top layer. Scroll down, find and expand the video effects section. Under the image mask, make sure the circular shape is selected. The X variable is used to adjust the position of the mask horizontally. The Y variable is used to adjust the position of the mask vertically. Width and height variables are used to adjust the size of the mask. Check the invert mask box. Hide the bottom layer so that we can see the mask clearer. Use the width and height variables to adjust the size of the mask. You can use more than one mask to perfectly cover the area that you want to cover. To do that, simply add the image mask effect to the top footage again. Unhide and hide the bottom layer continuously as you resize the mask so that you perfectly cover the head area. Also, adjust the feather bar of your image masks to 100%. This creates a blur around the edges of your masks, creating a perfect blend of our layers. Click the stop icon, hit play, and hooray! We just made our head larger. It's simple in Filmora 10. If you do not already have Filmora 10, click the link in the description to go and get it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Oh wait, one more thing. Since this is new to my channel, let's talk about Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is a video editing software that enables users to create amazing videos efficiently using a range of powerful editing tools. Wondershare Filmora uses a delightfully intuitive design that makes it easy for anyone to become a great video editor. With Wondershare Filmora, users can drag and drop moving graphics into their videos. Users can also combine multiple videos and images seamlessly and choose the perfect royalty-free songs from a library of music. The key features offered by Wondershare Filmora include 4K editing support, GIF support, noise removal, color tuning, video stabilization, and scene detection. You have a good one.